What's going on, guys? Here we have this Honda Odyssey with the parking system sensor, and you can see on the dashboard we are getting an error message, check parking sensor system. And a lot of times what that is it is just the bulb that's out on this button. So originally, if you press this, the light right above the P will light up, and you can tell this one here is not lighting up anymore. So all we have to do is replace this bulb, which is only a few bucks, and let's try that out. So first we're gonna open up the door, and we'll just stick like a pry tool or a flathead screwdriver right in between here, pop that out, and then all we do is put our fingers behind here, kind of feel around for this item here, and just push it on out. There we go. So we just push on this white tab here and it will pop right out. Okay, so once this is out, all we have to do is unscrew the bulb up on the top here, and we're gonna get a flathead screwdriver, twist this to the left, that makes it loose. The bulb will fall right out, and we take our new one and just put it right back in there. So we put our new bulb in there, secure it back into place, take the clip it back in, push our sensor all the way back in there, and then reattach that trim piece. So now you can see the light above the P actually lights up now. And very well, on our dashboard, the light has gone away. So I'll leave a link in the description for this part number and where you can get it. I think it was like maybe $10 or $15. So this is definitely worth it. I would try this out before going to the dealer and having them fix it. If you found the video helpful, please leave me a thumbs up, guys. See you guys in the next one. Subscribe, like the video. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if it worked out for you, and see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.